It's security at its brightest.
Thank you for purchasing the award-winning Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and mount your wire-free floodlight camera in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. To begin, open the Arlo app and make sure you're connected to your home network. From the Arlo app, select Add Device, Lights, and then Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. If you don't already have the free app, you can download it and create an account. The app will help you complete setup and guide you through the installation process. Start by separating the floodlight from the housing and mount by pressing the quick release button. Then, insert the battery with the Arlo logo facing up. You can recharge the battery with the included power adapter and micro USB cable. Keep the housing separated from the floodlight. Once the battery is inserted, a blue status light will begin flashing on the front of the floodlight, notifying you the floodlight is ready to pair. Follow the prompts in the app to connect to a 2.4 GHz network and enter your Wi-Fi credentials. If you don't have a 2.4 GHz network, you will need to create one or contact your network administrator to enable it. If the blue light is no longer flashing, press the sync button on the bottom of the unit to restart the pairing mode. Hold your floodlight approximately 4 to 6 inches away from the QR code displayed in the app. You will hear a chime from the floodlight once the QR code has been successfully scanned. The floodlight will be automatically found by the Arlo app. Give your floodlight a unique name to help identify it later. If your floodlight is not found, repeat the sync steps again until the blue light is flashing. Once your floodlight is set up, it will automatically look for updates. This can take a few minutes. If you have multiple floodlights, you will repeat the setup steps for each unit. Find a location outside your home or business with a clear vantage point to fully optimize the wide field of view. You'll also want to ensure the location has a strong Wi-Fi signal for the best experience. Check the signal strength here. A strong signal is indicated with the color bar reaching green on the far right. After you've found the ideal location, you want to install the wall plate onto a flat surface with the arrow pointing up. Make sure the surface you are mounting to can support the weight of the floodlight. Next, align the screw on the bottom of your mount to the green dot on the wall plate and twist the housing clockwise until you hear a click. Tighten the lock screw to lock the housing to the wall plate. Now that your housing is mounted, insert the floodlight. You can adjust the angle by turning the grip counterclockwise. Once you have positioned your floodlight to the desired angle, turn the grip clockwise to lock the position in place. Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera's modular design makes it easy to swap batteries without having to reposition the camera. If you have purchased the optional solar panel or outdoor charging cable, you simply snap it on like this. When your floodlight is mounted, select Continue, and the app will prompt you to set up a free trial of Arlo Smart. Arlo Smart is a subscription-based service you can add to your Arlo cameras that provides cloud recording, 30-day video history, package detection, cloud activity zones, and more. With Arlo's Privacy Pledge, you can trust Arlo to protect your privacy with industry standards for data protection designed to keep your personal information private and in your control. We hope you enjoy your new Arlo Pro 3 Floodlight Camera. Now you have security at its brightest.